Good morning. On today's math project, I'll show you how to make a cone with paper and compare the surface area of this paper that I made the cone from and the surface area, curved surface area of the cone. Now I have this circle with radius 10.3 centimeter. Okay. If you have any circle with any radius, okay, if you just cut a piece from here, we call this sector, since it has the angle less than this one. Let me just write down that alpha and theta. Alpha plus theta would be 360 degree. If this is smaller than that, then we call this minor sector, and the bigger angle we call that major sector. When you have that, then if you fold this two sides, see, if you cut that and if you bring this one out, like that, then you are having a sector like that, major sector with alpha here, and this is going to be the length. Okay, if you just join these two radii, okay, if you join that, then you are going to have something like this. See that you join this. When you join that, then this becomes the radius. This radius here comes over here, and if you just join this over here, so this length is this length or the circumference of the new cone you have created. This radius comes over here. Okay, I'll show you this how it works, but one more thing, the bigger the angle over here, the taller the cone would be. Okay, what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna draw a 130 degree angles with protector. So I have this protector, I coincide, see that's merging point. I think you can see that this horizontal line and vertical line meet at a point, that's the vertex. Okay, that vertex should be go on the top of this center, and this line, since I have a line over here, this line would be coincide with that. Then we can measure this. So I think this is pretty much clear. So I'm gonna start from the lower scale, because from here I'm gonna use 10, 20, 30, not 180, 170. We are not going backward. So 0, 10, 20 like that. So if I start from lower scale, I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 90, 110, 120, 130 right over here. Okay, so I'll just see, I have 2 points, so I can draw the straight line. This line would be, remember it was 130 degree, that would be radius. Again, radius equal to 10.3 centimeter. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cut it. Okay, if I cut this piece, okay, I cut this. If this is 130, this angle going to be 360 minus 130, that's gonna be 230 degree. Okay, write this angle. Now I can make two cone with this. I'm just gonna put that aside and I'll just show you. It's better if you just pre-fold a little bit like that. Okay, then it's going to be easy for you. So if you just can say this, if you can fold it like this, you're gonna have a cone. Okay, this cone. So I'll just fold it a little bit more, and hopefully it's gonna work. Take this, and turn this over here. I have a little opening, I need another piece of tape. Okay, now see, this radius becomes the slant height over here. You can see that slant height becomes the radius over here. Okay, now this one was the circumference of the circle, then I cut it, it becomes the length. This length becomes the circumference of the base circle of this cone. Okay. Now, if you remember the formula of surface area of a sector, surface area of a sector of a circle, then it's theta by 360 times pi r squared. Now, this theta we had 230 degree. So 230 divided by 360 times pi r, remember it was 10.3 centimeter. 10.3 centimeter. So 10.3 centimeter. If I use the calculator, I can see the mode is in degree. You can see that degree. So 230 divided by 360, I got 23 by that, 36 times the pi times 10.3, this square, okay, pi r square. So 230 times 360 times the pi times 10.3 square. I got about 213 square centimeter. Okay, it's 212.936, so about 213. Now, this length, what was this length? This arc length, formula of the arc length equal to theta by 360 times 2 pi r. So theta is again 230 divided by 360 times 2 pi r is 10.3. So we have this 230 divided by 360 times 230 divided by 360, I got that times 2 times the pi times 10.3. Oh, what did I do? 230 divided by 360, I got that times 2 times the pi times 10.3. I got here 41.34. 41.34. Okay. So this length equal to this circumference here, circumference length, I got 41.34, and the circumference formula is 2 pi. Now here would be a different r, so let's take this one, r1. This is going to be r2. I need to find out r2. So r2 would be 41.34 divided by 2 pi. I already have that over here, so divided by 2 pi, I got 6.58 centimeter. This is my new radius for this new circle. Okay, so when I have that, if you remember, surface area of cone, and this is not the total surface area, this is curved surface area. Okay, this is curved surface area. Okay, the formula is pi RL. Here we are not going to using this R, we are going to use this R. So what are you going to have? I have pi, and R2 is 6.58, and L is this R1 equal to my L, that's 10.3 right over here. Okay, slant height. So that's times 10.3, and we have this, I have the radius over here, 6.58 times 10.3 times the pi, and we got approximately 213 square centimeter. So curved surface area of the cone and surface area of the sector, they are equal. We proved the formula for the sectors and curved surface area of the cone to be correct. Okay, this was a math project to show you comparing the two surface areas making with the same piece of paper. Okay, I hope you like it and explore. Okay, if you have any question, leave your comments in the comment box. I'll get back to you. Thank you. Have a good day.